What's going on? Marty here with my buddy Austin.
What's up?
And we're in Centralia, Pennsylvania,
Checking out Graffiti Highway.
Yeah, you can see behind me, this is where it starts. Just parked the car right over there, over that bump. Well, we finally came out over here.
Yeah, it's been 10 years since I heard about this place.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm just waiting to see the broken up pavement.
Well, for you guys that don't know, Centralia, it's an old coal mine town that accidentally got set on fire.
In 1962.
Yeah, and ever since that, it's still burning.
Still to this day. It's a lot less than it was, but
It used to be more severe.
it's still burning. They actually had to shut down this highway, and that's how this became the Graffiti Highway.
Yeah.
They built a detour highway around this piece because there was coal veins right under the highway, and apparently there's collapsing parts.
You see some old pictures, it's just steaming up from the ground. It used to be a lot more.
Yeah, it used to be incredible. Right now it doesn't smell like anything's burning at all.
Nah.
It smells like clean, fresh air.
Wait, what?
That's the all-seeing eye. Like
Nah,
from
man,
Mordor.
that's New Mexico.
Oh. I don't know what New Mexico
That's a New
is.
Mexico symbol, yeah.
Oh, is that really?
Yeah.
So people came out here from New Mexico just to see
I don't
this
know,
shit?
maybe, possibly. Come from all over the world.
Probably.
Some crazy shit here. Look at all that. That's ridiculous. Wow, they built the road like decently thick up here.
Yeah. It's a mountain road.
Pennsylvania, after all.
And yet it's still, look how up it is.
No cursing.
Sorry.
Family show.
Oh, man.
Was that Goku on the floor?
I thought it was Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yu-Gi-Oh.
I don't know anime, man.
Oh man, yeah. You can see a whole bunch of cans on the floor too. Oh yeah, this is where no one cares if you tag up the place.
This is fresh. And still water running through.
Yeah. Not enough to help the
Fire.
yeah, really.
Must have been like a hot tub when the fire was running.
Yeah, right. You know, I heard a story. Well, I was watching the documentary last night before it came out, and at the gas station in Centralia, the guy was pumping out gas that was like really hot,
Yeah.
boiling in the.
Boiling gas.
Yeah, so that could have been so bad.
That's dangerous.
Yeah, they're really dangerous.
Wow.
And he didn't even know.
Yeah, no.
But that's the thing, it was running out so quick. He was wondering why, but it's, yeah, the heat from the ground.
That's amazing. You find a mountain that's got a lot of shale like this.
Yeah.
It's not a guarantee, but there's usually coal in the area.
Right.
Shale and coal are kind of,
Go hand in hand.
yeah, pretty much. Oh shit, this one's got some.
A little bit too.
Nice.
Yeah, look
There
at
you
that.
go. I'm gonna put it in somewhere.
I got to put down Marty on the move. Made my mark on Graffiti Highway. All right. Say we go back, because that's pretty much the end right there. Oh yeah, you can just do that out here.
That is like such a fine if they got. But like I said before, who's gonna get them? The Centralia Police?
Yeah.
What Centralia Police? It's cool.
This guy's like, I wish I had a gimbal. I'm like, dude, just open the backpack. There's one in there. Oh man, we're like going up the woods now. There's like coal seams over here. I got all burnt out. The highway used to smoke. Not anymore. It's kind of eerie out here. Let's take a look over here. Found something weird. I don't know what it is, but I couldn't tell you what this is. This is some weird formation. I just want to find like a cave, smoldering, you know.
Yeah.
Right. Let's take a look at the maps here. Seems right here that we hit the St. Ignace Cemetery. Is that how you say it? Ignatius. But it's like 3 over here, and The area that actually caught on fire was Oddfellows. You see on the map. The big ones, I believe, is right over here. Yeah, and way in the distance over there, you can see the church. You guys ever watch Silent Hill? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Kind of based off this place.
But apparently there's a photo shot, or a photo spot
Yeah.
here, which is the mine fire ventilation pipes system or something.
And here we got another cemetery.
Right around where the actual pipes are
Yeah.
is the general spot where it started. What's really eerie is that we're in a town that's technically not fully abandoned.
It's like 7 people left or something like that.
There's, yeah, in 2013 or 2012 census, there was like 7 residents. And on Google Maps, you can see like 1 or 2 houses that are actually still houses. So I guess
More than 1,000 people evacuated from here.
Yeah, this was a bustling town 60 years ago.
Yeah.
And it's, even though it's technically not abandoned, it feels abandoned. It's quiet.
Yeah.
It doesn't even sound like there's animals. There's no sound. I hear no
Nah.
chirping, no birds.
Not even that.
Nothing. It's just.
I saw some birds over there.
Okay.
But it is a little bit.
It's kind of eerie how quiet it is.
Yeah.
Except for the sound of cars passing by.
This definitely gotta be one of them. This was cold. It's cold, yeah. Definitely not burning up now.
They served their purpose.
Yeah, I would say. There's 2 more over here. Cold.
Very cold.
Of course, I'm gonna touch this one too, because I'm just curious. That's why I do this. So, this right here, fire origin. That's why we had the vent tubes. It's crazy to think about. And they say this got ignited by burning trash, right?
Yeah, they used to burn trash back in the day.
And it kind of lit up a coal seam.
Yeah, one of the veins was like exposed, and it lit up, and then
That's how it all started. Something else. Yeah. I see cars passing by down there.
If we want to see where
A very popular area. I felt like nobody comes here.
drive through it all the time.
Yeah.
Stay at high.
Constantly cars passing by. They're saying like around this area.
That was as the last thermal imaging, which was like 9 or 10 years ago. But it should still be
Somewhere around here. Muddy over here. Got the drone operational. Oh, hey, let's go this way. This is the way to the town. Follow me. Still a couple residents around here, but a lot of houses are gone.
It's hard to believe that there were actually houses here. Like, these are plots of land where they took houses down, and this was a residential street. You can even see right there where the curb turns into a driveway.
Oh yeah.
There was a house somewhere there.
So we're gonna go down one of these streets on the side. You can just imagine. This was all houses, people's houses. It's more eerie than abandoned because it's gone.
Yeah, it's not even, there's like no evidence of it other than driveways.
Driveways, like where the sidewalk starts on the edges. Walked a little bit more up and starting to find some sinkholes around. Just look at that.
for the disconnect.
Does it feel warm?
Nah, air temperature's pretty much the same.
Yeah, it just kind of caved in.
Yep.
Yeah, this right here just looks like used to be a main road. Now it's nothing around. This is pretty much a main strip over here. Like you see a lot in the old pictures. Like this was all just like houses coming up.
It's just a couple of pipes and some cinder blocks.
Yeah, there's nothing much here.
Nothing too spectacular.
Nice wall though.
Yeah.
Oh, thorns coming out the wall.
Yeah, it hurts.
Woo, got my hand. Yeah, so right behind me is the church that overlooks Centralia and untouched by fire. Kind of amazing. Never did. It's all down there. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and have a good one. Until next time.